Hello everybody, this is CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. Today I'm going to show you the Wiki Project 1. First, the entry page. We should be able to go any of these pages by typing Wiki and the name of any of the pages like this HTML, and it should render the Wiki page. But if we try to reach out a page that doesn't exist on the system, like wiki/bootstrap, it should render an error message. Second, the index page is a list of all entries that we have on the system, and a user should be able to go on any of these pages by just clicking it, like Django or any other. Third, the search feature. A user should be able to type any title on the search box, and if it matches with any of the wiki pages, it should go straight forward to the wiki page, like HTML, and we go to the HTML page. But if it doesn't match with any of the wiki pages, it should render with a list of all coincidences. Next, it is to create a new page through a form where we can write a title like Bootstrap, and then to add some content with Markdown support. And after we submit, we should be taken to the new entry page, like so. So now that we created the new Bootstrap wiki page, we can see it that it was saved on the disk. But what happens if we try to create a page that already exists, like Django? Let's try to create it. Django, some text, and it is presented an error message. Alright, now we should be able to edit any wiki page. For example, if we go to Python and then we click on the edit entry button, we can add or delete new content with a Markdown format, like now. And if we save the changes, will be taken to the modified entry page. And finally, we should be able to go to any wiki page randomly by clicking on the random page link. As you can see, this is CS50 web development with Python and JavaScript.